What about law firm experience or internships at law firms? We had one question about that.
Um, so I think it again depends on the type of experience. I think I wouldn't say having that work experience in and of itself is a huge strategic advantage in the admissions process. But I do think it can be really helpful to you as a person when you're deciding if law is right for you. Now you've been able to see what one type of lawyer does in one type of setting, and either it's dissuaded you from doing that area of law, or you feel confident, yes, this is definitely what I want to do. So I think it can be personally beneficial, but I wouldn't say it's something that you should necessarily strive to do just for the purposes of giving you an edge in the application process. If you do get the opportunity to do that, a lot of times, new college grads will have positions that are very administrative, right? You're a clerk, maybe you're a document clerk, or you're not gonna be doing like high level, legal strategy. You're probably not going to be doing like legal research even. You're going to be, putting things into tabs, and you're going to do the grunt work. But I think even if that's 95% of what you do, if you as an applicant can kind of share how maybe you found a way to wedge in there a little bit more of a substantive experience. So I've seen applicants sometimes they were basically like document clerks, but they approached one of the lawyers and said, "Hey, can I come to court with you and observe?" And so they were able to include either on their resume or in their statement and say, observed cross-examination, or and that tells me, okay, you saw it as a learning experience. Maybe the majority of what you did there wasn't thrilling. You found a way, you kind of put some effort into finding a way to make it a learning experience nonetheless. So I think as a person, I think it can be helpful in making sure law is right for you. But I think in terms of a strategic advantage, it's not going to give you that just because you worked at a law firm. I think it can give you that if you kind of made the most of the experience. That's a way to make it really matter. That's just how I've seen it work out. And you have to make sure if you did find that opportunity to learn that you communicate it somewhere in your application, because otherwise we won't know. So make sure if you did get that, you include it on your resume or in your personal statement somewhere.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.